Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to share with you how I did this makeup look perfect to wear for upcoming Thanksgiving. So if you want to learn how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. I will be starting with my face, and for primer I will be using the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio, and I will just gonna apply it gently on my face. For foundation, I'll be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and I will gonna apply it using a foundation brush. For concealer, I'll be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I will gonna apply it under my eyes, forehead, nose line, and chin just to highlight and brighten up these areas on my face. I will slightly bake under my eyes, and I will be using the L'Oreal Hydra Perfecti Loose Powder, and I will gonna apply it under my eyes, jawline, and a little bit on my forehead. I will not gonna set the powder too long under my eyes because I don't want it to be drying, so I will gonna dust it off using a powder brush and blend the rest of the powder around my face. To save time, I've done my brows off cam, and I used the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer. And to set my brows, I used the Benefit Gimme Brow Eyebrow Mascara. For eyeshadow, I start with using a medium brown shade from Urban Decay Naked Honey palette, but it doesn't matter if you don't have this palette. As long as you have a medium brown shade, you can still use that. So I start applying it on my crease and entire lid. Next, I will be using the Bad Habit Athena eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking the shade Lure, and I will gonna apply it focusing on my lid and building the color little by little. After applying that color on my lid, I took a clean eye crease brush and brushed it on my crease to remove harsh lines. Next, I'll be using this dark brown shimmer shade, and using a flat brush, I will gonna apply it on top of my lid. Back on the eye crease brush again to remove harsh lines. This makeup look takes a lot of blending, so keep on blending, guys. Next, I'll be taking this light brown shimmer shade, and again I will gonna apply it on top of my lid using a flat brush. Next, I'll be taking the shade Brownie, and I will gonna apply it focusing on the outer V part of my lid. brushing my crease again to remove harsh lines. Next, I took the shade Lure and applied just a little bit on my lower lash line. Next, I just highlight my inner corner of my eyes. And we're done with the eyeshadow. And off cam, I only apply winged liner and mascara. And then proceed on bronzing my face using the Benefit Hola bronzer. For blush, I used the one from Sephora and just applied on my cheeks, a little bit on my chin and forehead. To highlight my face, I used the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder and just applied it on my nose line, on top of my cheekbones, brow bone, and Cupid's bow. I want to use a nude lipstick for this makeup look, so I used the one from Sephora. And to set everything in place, I used the L'Oreal Lumi Shake and Glow Dillo Mist. So guys, this is the finished look for today's makeup tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!